Hello everyone, this is Asfia Al Malala and today I'm in Wood campus. Yeah, you can see it's such a beautiful scenery, and if I show that side of the buildings and all, you can see how beautiful this building is. It looks so eye-catchy. I freaking love it. And yeah, today our topic is the magic sounds of English. So there are 3 magic sounds in English: the p sound, the t sound, and the k sound. So by learning these sounds, you can say a lot of words beautifully, totally in American or British accent, whatever accent you like. So for example, we can say pot. Instead of saying pot, just like Bangladeshi say, you can say pot. Instead of saying car, you can say car. Instead of saying campus, you can say campus. Instead of saying tree, you can say tree, which is really nice, and you will immediately boost up to another level. Whatever level you are, you will be better than before. So yeah, your accent will be better. So I hope this helps, and for more tips in English, you can follow this page and like this video, share it with your friends, and make a comment on how you like it. Thank you, bye bye.